Hello everyone. In this video, we will go through a feature in which you can create and manage worker demographics. It will help you to facilitate the management of worker-related data within your factory or organization. It enables the tracking and categorizing of key demographic information such as the number of workers by country, worker type, and gender distribution. Let's see how this works. First, open the Neilon Project Management app from App Launcher. Open the Job Manager tab. Here you will see a list of all jobs. Open the job details by clicking on Job Name. Here go to the Worker Demographics section. Click on Add to add worker demographics. Fill in the details. Select worker type, gender, country, and worker count. Click on Save. The worker demographic record is saved. You can edit or delete worker demographics by clicking on Relevant Action Edit or Delete. Thank you for watching.